How to Become a Millionaire. Part 2. Managing Your Money. On recent video we tackle about the steps on preparing to success. Now, here are the steps to manage your money to help you become a millionaire. 1. Stop spending and be thrifty. This is a key element of becoming a millionaire. Either you have the money in savings or you're spending it on things. You can't have both if you're aiming to become a millionaire. Most millionaires with a net worth of $1 million to $10 million are living a very frugal and cost-effective life, without hyper-expenditure. This includes: live beneath your means. A good rule of thumb for your living situation is to spend no more than 1/3 of your monthly salary on rent. Buy quality clothing, but don't pay ridiculous prices. A suit under $400 will do you just fine. Wear inexpensive watches, jewelry, and accessories. Don't collect things. Drive a reliable but affordable car of an ordinary brand. Avoid prestige and luxury brands. Stop comparing yourself to others and trying to keep up with them through spending. 2. Familiarize yourself with savings. If you're used to maxing out the credit card and not saving much, you're going to find it hard to become a millionaire at any stage in your lifetime. Begin by opening a savings account purely for keeping aside money and add to it regularly. This should be different from your everyday bank account that you use to draw bill payments from, and it should preferably be one that has a higher interest rate than the usual savings account options which are available through brick and mortar banks. A savings account is one of the many places where you can set your money up to work for you. Your initial deposit of money grows whether you make additional deposits by interest. Learn the different types of accounts, including accounts like individual retirement account. Saving money requires self-discipline. Spend time working on any bad habits that take away from your self-discipline. Focus on what you can accomplish by saving rather than showing off to others through conspicuous consumption and instant gratification. Try to open a savings account with an online bank instead of a bank that has a physical location, since digital banks usually have better savings interest rates. 3. Invest in stocks. If you're gung-ho for individual stocks, buy stocks of the companies whose products and services you use or purchase. One of the best ways to invest in individual stocks is through an investment club. You may want to consider forming one with your friends. However, whatever way you choose to buy stocks, get really sound and good financial advice first. Do your due diligence on that financial advisor. Check their reputation and record of accomplishment first. Blue chip investments may be slower and less exciting than other stocks, but in the long run, they're sounder. 4. Buy mutual funds. Mutual funds are an investment in other investments. When you own a mutual fund, you own the securities like stocks, bonds, and cash within the mutual. With mutual funds, you are pooling your money with other investors and diversifying your investment. Most people who have financial goals of becoming wealthy, millionaires, or even multi-millionaires have various habits that they must follow in order to reach those goals. These steps are what will make the difference between a person who is just another average person and one that can truly become wealthy. Stay tuned for the part 3 of the video. I'm Mr. B Wise, and thank you for watching.